Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear student, in the last class we completed our second chapter, that is section B, 3 Days to See, which is written by Helen Keller. Yes or no? So you all understood and related that homework I given, you have to practice it. So here on page number 30, here we have some work. See, using words, like see on page number 13. Here I will write page number 13. Yes, so here using words. So expressions with in. Expression with in. So here this is the section that is using words. Using words. So here we have to solve it one by one. So let's see. Here what they given? Here they given the sentences, that is read these sentences from the next or from the text. So here they given a text and from that we have to read the sentences. Recently, I asked a friend who had just returned from a long walk in the woods what she had observed. Nothing in particular, she replied. So this sentence from, yes, previous chapter, 3 Days to See. So here she asked, and here they given dark, see, bold, later they written in particular. In particular word is there. Yes. So then next one is, I place my hand gently on a small tree and feel the happy quiver of a bird in full song. So in particular, in full song, these are the words. Here meaning is different. In particular. Then in another sentence, in full song. These two words they given. Yes. So this starts with the in particular means what? And not have seen too much means not have seen, not observe. Then in full song, birds means they are in singing or they are busy in singing. And here the highlighted phrases begin with the preposition in. So these are phrases, yes, these are begin with the preposition in. So in preposition we use here. Got it? In preposition we have use here. Now here related that we have to see here on page number 14. Given below are some more phrases that is begin with the preposition in. Match them with their meaning. So here some phrases are there. So when they are starting with this, see, in preposition, these are phrases. Yes, in full song, these are the phrases. So they given different phrases here. We have to match it with these its meaning, okay, which are in B column, and A column they given phrases, and B column we have to match it with their meaning. So let's see here one by one. I'll write here, yes, column A and B. See here. I write down here. Yes, so here column A, and here column B. See here, first one is shared by two or more people. Two or more people. Second one, what it is? B. See, in the end. Next one, C. That is without success. Without success. See here. Next D1 is before something begins. Before something begin. And E1 is there, that is quickly. Quickly, and last one is there, in reality. In Now, see here, you have to match it properly. In advance, what is mean of by in advance? In advance means before only. Yes, in advance means, see, before something begins. Before something begins. So here you just match it. Yes. Next, second is in common. In common means what? Maybe it is general. So here in common means it is shared by two or more people. So you have to match it. Next, in fact. In fact means any fact is there. In fact, we are telling, no, in fact, what is the fact? In that fact means reality. So you have to join it with, see here, in fact, reality. I'll write here, run down. Yes, in fact means in reality. Next one is in the long run. Yes, in the long run. Okay, long means end. Long run, end, up to the end. So in the long run means in the end. Okay, in a minute means what? In a minute. In a minute means, tell me, yes, in a minute means I will do this work in a minute, means quickly. So here you have to join with quickly. And last one is remaining C. In vain means without success. Got it? So these are the answers. You have to match it properly. Got it? So here our first expression with A, this C. You have to join this column A and B. This is the question A. We completed. Now come to the question B. Here also some phrases are given. We have to write down the proper phrase and we have to complete the sentence. So fill in the blanks are there. We have to see this finish. Yes. Now come to the B. B here what they given? Yes, fill in the blanks with, so I'll write here. Yes, fill in the blank by using correct words or correct phrase. Fill in the blanks. I'll write here. Now, just see, first I will read. We prepared for the house. See, here, so we paid. Okay, let it be. So we paid for the house. So we paid for the house. Why? What we given? In cash. So here in cash is there. So we paid for the house in cash. Write down. We paid for the house here in cash. Got it? Second sentence, see. It would be best if you could meet him. So, to whom we have to meet? Yes, so person. So, in person. It would be best, write down here. It would be best, yes, if you could meet him in person. If you personally meet him, so it is best for you. Next, we have enough money. So if we want to buy, so we have enough money in hand. So we have enough money in hand. We have enough money in hand. So answer is in hand. This phrase is correct. Now come to the fourth. So you know, robots are dash throughout the car industry. Dash throughout means they, where from they came? Yes, industry means use, in use. They are using, they are in use throughout the car industry. Robots are answer is in use. In use when throughout. throughout the car industry. Now come to the fifth sentence. So here I will write fifth, yes, here I will write fifth sentence. What is? We accept donations dash rather than money. So rather than money, so we accept that donations in kind. In kind is correct answer. We accept donations so in kind, answer is in kind rather than money, rather than money. So here answer in kind is proper phrase for that. Next, everything is dash for the guest arrival. Guests are now ready to come, so everything is order, in order, okay, means arranged properly. So in order, everything is in order for guests arrival. Now guests are ready to arrive and everything is in order. Now seventh one, just see, if you carry on like this, you will be, see, if you are behaving is continuous, you carried out, what will happen? You will be in trouble. So in trouble you have to write down. If you carry on like this, you will be in trouble. You will be in trouble. So in trouble is answer. Now the last one sentence. None of us know what is dash for us in the future. So for future what we have or what we will get, we don't know. So about that, in store, whatever store for our future we don't know. So in store is last and answer. None of us know what is in store. What is in store for us in the future? So for future, whatever store we don't know. Yes, so in store is correct answer. Got it? So here you have to write down it. Yes, you have to complete the fill in the blanks by using proper phrase. Yes, clear? Now the dictionary work is there. Means we have to write down the meaning of the words from this text. So we use these words in our text, from our text. So meaning I will write here, I will tell you. You just write it fast. Yes. Next, so meaning of words from text. Meaning of words from text. First one is, see here, companionship. Okay, companionship. So companionship, what is mean? So company, yes, we are calling it company, means being friend with someone. So here I will write companionship, means answer being friends with someone. Second word is there, that is accurately. Accurate, sometimes we are telling it is accurate, means correctly. So write down accurately. accurately, correctly. So without making mistakes. Third one, channels. Channels means what? Yes, channels means you can say that here passage. Okay. Next one, revelation. Revelation means what? Revelations means surprise or surprises. Revelations means surprises. So these are its meaning. So this also you have to write down in your notebook. So today's homework is there. You have to complete this A, B, and here dictionary work, whatever it is there, you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, then we'll start next lesson into the next class. Till, thank you, have a nice day, bye.